Welcome one all, my name is Tawess, and today we are talking about the Star League. Well, at least sort of talking about the Star League. More specifically, the Star League Command Lance. This thing is, for all intents and purposes, the new series of lance boxes. And unlike the previous ones, it does contain a pre-painted mech, which is kind of the main thing what we're going to be looking at today, because for all the other intents and purposes, it is just a rather nice box of mechs. The art inside is so nice though. It's Alexander Kerensky wrecking shit. Now, as usual, get all the plastic out of the way so we don't have all much reflections and stuff. Now, it comes with 4 mechs. The Atlas II, the Thunderhawk, the Orion K, and the special Phoenix Hawk. I don't know what's so special about it, but there it goes. Now, these things, of course, are spread all over the area. You have the Atlas II, which is basically what happens when you decide that Atlas isn't angry enough. I don't know much about the Thunderhawk. It is a cool looking mech, very heavily armed, but I don't know much about it beyond that. The pre-painted Orion, we're going to look a bit closer on it a while, and just get that it has a gun too in this tiny bag. And I understand why they couldn't put it in, but you know. They started doing this with a few things. I think the big one was Sneed's there you go. Sneed's Frankenmech. So yeah, in essence, this is what you get mech-wise. And as I said, these are nice, crisp designs, not much to say about. But this, let's for a second talk about this. Because this is Kerensky's own special Orion. It even has a little, I don't know if you can see it, but if you, there, has a Star League symbol there, which is kind of nice. Horse Alexander Kerensky 01. Now, the quality of the paint job is really good. It's crisp, it's smooth, it is not shaded, but it is, I mean, it is the level of paint I would presume produce. I'm going to fish out my... So as you can see, there is not much difference. I would even say that theirs are slightly crisper in some places and slightly less crisp in others, but it doesn't look out of place. I'm probably going to paint the feet of mine silver just to make it fit in with mine, and paint the weapons silver, yes, just to touch things up. But generally speaking, it is not bad. Because there was a lot of concern in the beginning. It's like, how will these pre-painted models stack up to things you paint yourself? And I say I think they're okay. If this is the quality they're going to see going forward, I think we're definitely going to be okay. Paint-wise, at least. And with that said, I think it's actually green plastic painted. So the basic plastic is green, and I think then it's painted on top of that. So that's okay, actually. That is very okay. But also, I don't see much of an issue if you want to strip the paint and then paint your own, or just paint over it. Because the paint is thin and the details are still crisp and very visible. So, I don't think that's going to be much of an issue. Let's have a look at the cards just for the fun of it. Let's be a bit thorough. Now, as I only do this box because it's the first of a new box. So let's look at the mechs first. We have Actually, see if we can get some that don't have all the shine in them. Yeah. We have Kerensky's Orion, and we have Theodore Kurita's Orion. Kerensky's is 65. It's a Starleague aeromech. It's really good. We have Nicholas Kerensky's Atlas 2. And, of course, Devlin Stone's Atlas 2. Again, so that Atlas 2 is what happens when you decide that the Atlas isn't angry enough. We have the PHX-1B Special Phoenix Hawks. And I don't exactly know what is special with it. It has an extra gun, but that's about it. Same with that one. And finally, Thunderhawk. Again. Oh, my bad. We get to that later. But yeah, generally speaking, not a bad mech. Maybe it's Alpha Strike. I don't think there are any bad mechs in Alpha Strike, because they're also condensed. Now, if we start off with 5 commander cards, which is Alexander Kerensky, which has the Tactical Genius and Inspiring Commander, meaning you can pick him as a commander for the force. You have Theodore Kurita, who has Inspiring Commander 3 and Forward of Cerber and Slow but Steady. I like that. Slow but steady. Kurita is not counted as part of the standard initiative process. Kurita moves first and declares attacks first. For each turn of these turns, the Kurita banks 1 initiative. At the beginning of any initiative phase, before rolling, Kurita may spend 2 banked initiative and declare Kurita's winning initiative. So basically you go last but bank points, and then at a crucial moment you can spend those points to automatically win initiative. It's kind of fun ability actually. Nicholas is not a commander, but he's Tactical Genius, Headhunter, and Iron Will. And of course, Devlin Stone, Inspiring Commander, First Fire, and Floats Like a Butterfly. And Aaron de Cavalier. For Observer, Inspiring Commander. And for the specials, we have Gu Minyan, I think. And Gukatan, I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. And Masayote Mine Otorov Mangan. See, names. This is always funny for names. So those are the cards. I mean, all in all, it's a really nice box. And I would say that, especially with the pre-painted ones, if you look at it like this, compare one of my painted mechs to one of the pre-painted mechs, I'd say it's okay. But you will have to pick and choose on your own. If you don't like the pre-painted idea, well, there's not much you can do. That is what it is now. Are you coming off? No, but your gun is coming off. God damn it. We'll have to glue this thing in. So yeah. There you go. The Star League Command Lance. First of the new boxes. Product number 35780. If you want to look it up. So, until next time, stay safe, be kind, and stay fair.